Hello again, welcome back. Today we're going to be working on a picture frame that the Army managed to knock off my wall in the hallway, and it's broken into several pieces. Picture frames, the picture's actually really heavy, so yeah, I don't blame them, but it was only held up with 2 screws that were attached to the wall, and that was attached to this metal piece here, so wasn't very good stable system. So I added an extra screw to it, and now it's pretty stable on the wall. I just got to fix the frame. Gonna have to use screws and super glue since I don't have any brad nails, or wood glue. Maybe I could use some wood glue. I'll have to look around. I have a little bit left, so I'm not sure if it's enough, but let's see what happens. And if you're wondering, this is what the picture looks like. It's pretty cool. Alright, let's get a move on. Okay. Now the first thing we want to do is mark the back with the frame side so we know which is which. One, 2. And 4. That way when you put it back together, it goes back somewhat easy. Awesome. Go ahead and move this corner around. Try not to glue my fingers to the plexiglass. Almost. Oh, shit. Like that. And we wait for that. Okay, so I don't have any nails, like I said, so I'm just going to carefully drill a hole where the nail was and put a screw in. Lovely. I have a suspicion that there's a nail in here from when they put it together. It was hitting something in there and throwing off the whole feng shui. So we're just going to go this way. Ah!
Where is duct tape?
Duct tape. This is some garbage wood. Perfect. Since the head looks like this, it's not flat. I'm going to countersink this just a tiny bit. Yeah. That should work. Okay. And that looks nice. It's just lovely. All right, continuing on, the glue is finally dry. What you want to do is very carefully put this back in here. It's plexiglass, so could break. Nice. Thought that was an actual painting, but it's just a print. Just kind of lame, but I guess it's still kind of cool. So all the screw holes have been torn out because when it fell it just broke apart. So I'm gonna have to re-drill all the holes on this so that it'll go in. I was thinking about just putting some glue in it and redoing it, but that's probably won't work too well. It'll just pull right out again. So I'm just gonna re-drill the holes. I think it came out pretty good. It's all straight and level. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and please like and subscribe.